Alright guys, have a look at this. We've got a 64 in the house, and this thing is some OG goodness. Have a look inside. This is a 2-owner vehicle. Look at the interior. It's unbelievable. Got a few little things here and there, but mate, this is amazing. So we picked this up locally, and we're keeping it exactly as it is. We've got a few rust repairs to do. One down here, one tiny one there. We've got a little bit on the windscreen, a little bit of just surface rust on the top there. But let's see where else. Rear hatch. Yeah, on this little section here, you can see a little bit of blistering coming here. But and this is near the ocean, so we're going to put it up on the hoist in a minute and just have a look. We've got a little piece just here, and a little bit of surface rust on the bumper, but not too bad. But I'll tell you what, this is just amazing. It just goes to show there is some gems out there, and what a find. Let's have a look at the motor. It's not the original motor, it's a 1500 in it. Oh, it's a 16 twin port. Okay, 1600 twin port. So she motors along. It looks like it's got a little bit of needs a bit of a clean. We're going to take it out because the throwout bearing on the clutch is a bit dodgy, so we'll fix that up, and we'll give this a dress up and clean and put it back in. But we're just in shock, you know. For the price we paid for it, we were thinking the thing was going to be an absolute basket case. And yeah, have a look at it. That's amazing. What a find. So we'll probably do a couple of build threads on the channel on this guy, just fixing it up. One of the first things we'll do is we'll go and get the colour matched, and I've got a good mate that does amazing colour matching winger, and we'll get him on board to mix us up some paint, and then we can start treating these little rust areas. But for now, we're going to whack it up on the hoist and just have a look at the underneath of it and make sure there's nothing nasty to look at under there. What do you reckon, Scooby? Did we do good, mate?
She likes it.
You like it? What do you think of this thing? Do you like it? Yeah? Oh yeah, there's a sniff.
Let me drive that one down the beach.
All right, let's grab her up on the hoist and have a look. All right, guys, we've got her up on the hoist. Let's have a look underneath.
Something repair job there. A bit of rusty there. It's had a floor weld in it or not? Yeah, it has had a floor weld in it. Look, it's the same.
Oh yeah, yep. So
Cool.
it's had the floors welded.
A little bit of rust.
We've got a bit of a leak here. That's probably either brake fluid or fuel.
It doesn't smell like it.
Link pins at the front are worn out. We've double checked
Engine's got
those.
some oil leaks. That's an easy fix. Probably a main seal or just weeping past the pushrod seals. I'll take the heads off and clean the valves and change them anyway. I reckon it's well worth bringing the motor down, have a quick strip down, have a look at the barrels. Not blowing smoke, so the doors are good.
No, well I noticed up behind you there was no smoke.
And good compression. Got up the hill in 75 kilometres per hour, which is moke territory.
There you go.
Yeah, this has only been done not that long ago.
Doesn't look like the pushrod tubes are leaking.
No, there's some sort of leak here, grease. But it could be the same shit from the front.
It looks greasy,
Followed
doesn't
all the
it?
way through, yeah. It looks greasy. Don't know what that would be. It could be, actually, it could be tar paint with bitumen, with fuel going through it.
Ah, yeah, that could be it.
So it looks like it's been tar painted, doesn't it?
Tell you what, it's pretty dry up the back here. There's no rot. I can't see any rot.
No.
That's amazing.
I'm absolutely stoked. You know, where we had the 56, the 73 and the 73 rust?
Yeah,
Nothing.
there's nothing there, that's right.
Nothing. So that's going to be a place
In
that
this
we're going to
section
protect
here.
that.
Yeah.
Fuel lines, the brake lines are probably old and dodgy.
probably a good idea to drop some cavity wax and some Fahrenheit down the guts.
Fahrenheit first and cavity wax,
Yeah.
Nipples, grease.
Yeah, so we've got one little repair here. One little through the rubber.
The box didn't have much play in it either.
Right.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Okay.
And it didn't pull.
So that link pin's gone. What about this side?
They're both dodgy.
Yeah.
It might, I don't know if you can tighten right one up, but
Oh, yeah, that one's...
they're pretty much gone.
Yeah.
Or they need at least a look at.
Yeah, they'll look... Yeah, exactly.
Shockers, I don't know if take one off and have a feel.
That one's got leaking.
Shockers leaking? Yeah.
That shocker there, I can see it's got some leak to
It's
it.
got the rubber, the horn worked.
Yeah.
I couldn't get it going, and Mrs. could.
Yeah, that was strange, wasn't it?
She's used to push it.
No. Yeah.
They've got the original antenna on the side. Oh no, it hasn't. It's an aftermarket one. But the original ones had a round plate with that, see that block that sticks to the wall?
Oh, okay.
The bottom of the doors!
Yeah, this one here's got a tiny bit, I can see here.
A bubble?
Yeah, there's some bubbles here. Just along the bottom here.
That's the treatment. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, and so it's bubble there. That looks good.
Have a look inside.
And then take the trim off, that's right. Dump some Fahrenheit down it.
Doesn't seem to be rusting behind the windows either. Quarter inch windows missing the handle.
Right. Look, we'll just make a list and
Check it twice and find out who's naughty.
that's right. Get on to Santa and hopefully.
Bolts in the back too. There's a bolt coming through the.
Yeah.
Guardian. Put some stuff on. Wow, I am really
Radical stuff. And the black and white number plates are staying. We're keeping those.
The original 2 owners.
2 owners. How's that?
New.
Yeah.
All
60.
Victorian registered.
So definitely 64. That's what he said.
The retro papers, I haven't checked them out, but he said 64. So
Yeah.
I can imagine it was.
So obviously Australian spec to Euro and America can be slightly different in terms of indicators
one review mirror on the outside. See, the early stuff only had one review.
Yes, only one.
That's what I
Yeah,
thought.
yeah. There's some quirky.
That's why I was quite comfortable with.
Us Aussies have got some quirky shit going on, eh? That's bloody right, mate. That's bloody right.
Oh wow, I'm so impressed.
Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it?
Wow. Yeah, wow. And there's no rust in the back sills here?
What I did notice when I was behind you, the lenses are really faded.
Oh, they're stuck.
Yeah, we'll have to get new ones of those.
Yeah, get new ones. Get new German ones if we can.
Yeah.
Because they are, Actually, no. I've got the guards downstairs with brand spankers on them.
Have
they
you?
haven't been used for 30... When I put the red car on the road...
Oh, you took the
guards
guards off.
and I got the lenses off that.
Yeah, perfect. Swap them straight over.
They were the same, because the 65, the 60... Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I was 65 guards that I had.
Yeah. Amazing.
Wow.
Amazing.
Chrome's not brilliant, but it's not too bad. It's falling apart at the bottom here.
Well, we'll try the Coke method with some foil and just see.
But wow.
Yeah.
I am so happy with this.
Yeah, this will detail up really nice.
Even the pea shooters are rusted out, but
Yeah.
we get some stainless ones for that. That's pretty good, man.
All right, guys. Well, that was just a quick impromptu look at this.
What we're up against.
What we're up against. I don't think it's going to be a hard one to get this thing looking Mickey Mouse.
Well, I reckon 4 weeks. He's got to keep the rego going with himself.
Right.
So as soon as it's ready, we'll transfer the ownership over. He's cutting the insurance on it, so
Yeah.
we're not going to drop on the road. We're just going to get it ready.
Yeah.
Once it's ready, I'll go and see him and
Go and get a
happy
list.
days.
Yeah, get a list together, and we'll start
Go
ordering
see
some
him.
parts.
Get some Christmas presents on the move.
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh, petrol tank overflow.
All right, guys. We'll catch you guys in the next one, and we'll keep this build thread going for you future budding beetle lovers. Woo!
Oh, look, I love it.